Have you ever stopped to wonder, who would you be if no one told you who you are? Not your parents, not your country, not your religion, not your school, just you. That version of you, does it still exist? Or was it trained out of you before you could even speak? Before you took your first breath, a script had already been written. You'd be taught what to believe, who to trust, what to fear, what to chase, what success looks like, what failure feels like. Not because someone hated you, but because they were taught the same things. They didn't know any different. They handed you a name, a language, a god, a flag, and they said, "This is who you are." But you never got to ask, is it true? Society isn't just a place that we live in. It's a shape we're forced to fit into. And, sadly, most of us never question it. Because it starts before we know how to ask the right questions. But now, ask yourself this question. If you had been born on the other side of the world, say, to different parents, in a different religion, in a different system, would you still be you? Or are you just a reflection of the system that raised you? Now, let's talk about school. Not learning, school. You were told it would prepare you for life. Did it truly prepare you for life? Or did it just prepare you to follow orders, meet deadlines, silence your curiosity, or measure your worth in grades and not growth? What if I told you that school was never designed to set you free? It was designed to make you useful, not wise, not awake, just useful. You were trained to believe that your value is based on performance, that you must earn rest, that failure is shameful, that questioning is dangerous. But what if the real danger is to never question at all? Let's be fair. The system wasn't built to destroy you. It came from a need for order, for predictability, for safety, and in some ways it worked. We have infrastructure, medicine, technology, laws. But what happens when that system becomes a cage? When it starts punishing the very parts of us that make us human? Our curiosity, our questions, our pace, our very soul. So, maybe the real question isn't, why is the world like this? Maybe it's, why did no one ever tell me I could leave the script? Because the truth is, you can. Not all at once. Not without fear. But one choice at a time. You are not your conditioning. You are not your test scores. You are not the job title that someone gave you. You are something much deeper. And you've always felt it, haven't you? That quiet discomfort. That strange sadness when everything seems normal. That voice inside asking, is this really it? This is where it begins. Awareness, not answers. Start noticing. Start pausing. Start asking, was this belief given to me? Or did I choose it for myself? That's the beginning of freedom. The kind that doesn't come from rebellion, but from realization. Watch out for part 2, where we'll explore how relationships are transactions, the illusion of choice, and blind faith. But for now, just breathe. You're not crazy. You're just waking up.